What is happening? I am going to be showing you the Point Cloud integration with the ArcGIS 4.0 API. It is absolutely wild. I literally spent an hour and a half yesterday just playing with it, looking at different point clouds. Point clouds are a format derived from it's basically a LiDAR format, an LAS file. That's an image that has been taken of a surface that has X, Y, and Z. So the depth of the features, objects of the surface. So you're going to be able to see the depth. That's what LiDAR is. And traditionally we've looked at this stuff in desktop, and it's still really cool stuff, but the ArcGIS Javascript 4.0 library really handles it well, and especially with the new scene layers and the ArcGIS API, it's really cool. I figured it was worth showing you, so let's check it out. So check this out. This is just some normal imagery, the Esri base map with the scene layer, so it's the globe view here. And I went on to ArcGIS Online and found a scene layer point cloud. You can go ahead and just search for there's a bunch of people that have put up some LiDAR data, but basically Clemson University went and flew a drone over their campus and collected LiDAR data, which is really cool. They're collected over, look, it says right here, 1,300 individual images and processed into a 3D point cloud with ArcGIS Pro. So I took a look at this, I was like, man, I got to test this out in the ArcGIS JavaScript API because it is wild. So just to look how I implemented this, just your typical one-page little application. I've got my scene layer view, my point cloud layer, my layer list widget, so I can toggle on and off the layers. Go ahead and just add my point cloud layer here with the item ID, create my map with some imagery, elevation imagery, and then add my scene layer, which is kind of the view for the whole thing, give it a little tilt, and then add my layer list. So nothing special going on here. The big thing is that we have a point cloud layer. So let's check this thing out. So again, campus with no point cloud. Have no idea how tall this stadium is here. Now watch this. Boom. Look at how fast that rendered. Go ahead and tilt this so you can see. It's amazing performance wise. I mean, things are rendering on the fly. You can see points kind of trickling in as I move this, come really low. This is really amazing. I'm blown away by how fast and easy it is to bring this in. It's cool to see how big the trees are really compared to the building. You can tell it's kind of an old campus because the trees are so large. But this is using the scene layer, so you can check it out on the JavaScript 4.5 now. And then the layer is actually not even documented yet. I'm sure it's coming. I mean, this is brand new. I'm sure that they're working on kind of all the specs and documentation for this, but figured I'd show it to you. This is absolutely amazing. Give it a try for yourself. I will post this code down in a GitHub repo and then link this point cloud data set, so you guys are more than welcome to kind of try this out on your own. But I'm just blown away. I spent a while messing with this and looking at different point clouds. One thing that's kind of interesting here is point clouds are X, Y, and Z, right? So you can see here how there's this kind of gap, right? It's because it's a point, right? So you're not going to fill in any of this because it's this point X, Y, and then the Z is the depth. So it's just interesting that it misses all that, and it's not missing it. It's how LiDAR is shot. I thought it was really cool. So cool. Well, I will catch you guys in the next video, but just wanted to share. See ya.